Hi, I'm Dr. Nitya Raghunath from Contour Clinic, Bangalore. In my recent videos, I've spoken about acne or pimples and male pattern hair loss. So this time I'll be talking about another very common condition called dandruff. So what is this dandruff and what are its types? Dandruff is nothing but the itchy, scaly substance or powdery or sticky white substance on the scalp, and it can also occur on other parts of the body. So why is it necessary to treat dandruff? Dandruff can be troublesome as it can cause excessive itching, and because of scratching it can cause damage to the scalp, and the inflammation caused by dandruff can also cause hair loss, and many of you may end up using too many home remedies which can further damage the scalp. So why does dandruff occur? Dandruff occurs mainly due to the oil or sebum secreted onto the scalp, which gets mixed with the dead skin, and this in turn promotes further fungal growth. So why is it more common in certain individuals? Fungus has affinity towards particular kind of sebum which is specific to certain individuals. That is why it is more commonly seen in certain individuals. When does dandruff occur? Dandruff is mainly seen in first few months of life, in puberty, in adulthood, and it can also be seen worsening in winters. So what to do for the oily scalp? Oily scalp needs to cleanse their scalp regularly, and they have to use good cleansers and avoid excessively oiling your scalp. And you can also try some home remedies like apple cider vinegar or tea tree oil, but it has to be used with caution as it can cause allergy in some individuals. And what to do for dry scalp? Dry scalp can individuals can regularly moisturize their scalp using aloe vera gel or virgin coconut oil, but you need to use very mild cleansers to rinse off the oil after 1 to 2 hours. What are the other precautionary measures that has to be taken care to prevent dandruff? Washing your comb regularly and washing your pillow covers regularly to certain extent can help, and you need to avoid wearing tight helmets. And after washing your scalp, please dry your scalp, as the wet scalp can promote further fungal growth. Do home remedies work? Home remedies can be used for maintenance, but it cannot be used to treat it, and in some individuals it can also cause allergy, so it has to be used with caution. How to differentiate dandruff from other conditions? Dandruff can be misleading, as some conditions like psoriasis or fungal infections and others can present the same way. Only dermatologists and trichologists can help you differentiate it from other conditions and manage it accordingly. How is it diagnosed? Dandruff is mainly diagnosed based on the clinical examination, and if necessary, skin scrapings or skin biopsy may be suggested by the dermatologist to differentiate it from others. Is it good to use over the counter anti-dandruff shampoos? Over the counter anti-dandruff shampoos can be of lower strength, and it can cause resistance over a period of time, and it may not be specific to the dandruff, and it may also not be recommended for all the age groups and pregnant women or lactating mothers. What is the treatment for dandruff? Broadly prescribed medicines for dandruff are topical antifungals and oral antifungals, and it can also depend on the severity of the condition and other coexisting factors. So if you are suffering from dandruff, kindly visit your dermatologist and take their help. Thank you.